Brett from Dennis Bernard Professional Power Tools here today to show you guys how to use TCA, our color accelerator, to cut your processing time in half. TCA is a natural blend of high-grade oils that are going to naturally soften the cuticle, which is going to allow any high-lift, lightener, demi-permanent, direct dye penetrate deeper, quicker, and helps assist in grade coverage and perm retention. Mixing TCA is super simple. Conveniently located on the back of your bottle and the side of your box, you will find the mixing instructions as per 2 ounces, 3 ounces, etc. So we have 2 ounces collectively of my color and my gray coverage formula, so we're going to be adding 10 drops. By adding TCA to both my gray coverage formula and my refresh formula, I am confident that I will never experience dilution of my formula or needing to bump my developer. After mixing my gray coverage and my base refresh, we simply just apply as normal. If I ever need to remix my color, it is super simple. Simply add 5 drops per how many ounces that you are remixing. So in this case, we're doing 1 ounce. We're doing 10 drops. After we apply the color, we can process her in 2 ways. Either we can place a cap over her head with 10 to 15 holes and put her in a low heat dryer, or we can simply add a cap and let her body heat activate the product. Either way, my canvas will be done in processing in half the time. Usually her color sits for 45 minutes. With TCA, I can get her done in 20-25 minutes, which is more convenient to her busy day. And this is my end result in 20-25 minutes with 100% gray coverage and beautifully refreshed ends that have a lot of moisture put back into them. Thank you so much for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Feel free to look at all of our products on DennisBernard.com and check me out on my Instagram at BrettTrends, and give us a follow on Dennis Bernard Pro on Instagram.